In this video, we'll walk you through how to delete all your Instagram messages at once. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. As you can see, I don't have many messages, but the process is the same whether you have just a few or thousands of messages. To get started, go to your Instagram profile page. Once you're there, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open your settings. Next, scroll down and you'll need to temporarily switch your account to a professional account. Don't worry, you can always switch back to a personal account later. This is just because the professional account has the feature we need to delete multiple messages at once.
Tap on Account and then switch to Professional Account.
After that, tap Next at the bottom, then select the option that best describes you. It doesn't matter which one you choose, but I'll go with Creator for now. Once your account is set to Professional, you'll see the Professional dashboard. To access it, tap the Home button at the bottom left, then swipe across. Now, tap the three lines in the top right again. You should now be able to select multiple messages at once. You can choose all the messages you want to delete, and once you're done, tap on the Delete option at the bottom right. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure. After confirming, all the selected messages will be deleted from your inbox.